Hello, my name is Bobby Watkins, and I'm an MAT student through the University of Arkansas at Monticello. I am going to be working on Project 1, just kind of letting you get to know me a little bit. So, first thing is, who am I? Bobby Lee Watkins Jr. A little bit about my family. I have one sister and one brother. My sister has a daughter and a son, and my brother has three sons. So, we'll be definitely sending up some prayers for him. My niece and nephew, my sister, live with me. They are my world. They're like my everything. I love those two kids. Spoil them. I also have one dog. His name is Zeus. He's not very great with taking pictures, so every time I try to take a picture of him, he's running around and zooming around, so I really couldn't get a picture of him for this. Or else I would have had a picture thrown here of him. My undergraduate career, I went to Lyon College in Batesville, Arkansas, where I studied history, and I graduated back in 2015. As far as what I'm teaching right now, I'm helping out with psychology and AP psychology at Marian High School. That's where I graduated from back in 2009. I'm not actually a big boy teacher yet. I'm working as a long-term sub for one of the teachers who's going on maternity leave for 12 weeks. So, fingers crossed, it'll be a really good semester for me. My future in education, my dream job is to be able to teach college. I would love to be able to teach teachers how to teach. Throughout my career in high school and undergrad, I've experienced lots of teachers that have made a great impact on my life. One of my two people, one was a high school choir director here at Marian, absolutely changed the way I looked at my future, and then my advisor in college, one of my professors, absolutely changed the way I looked at history, and he gave me a very different way of looking at history, and kind of fanned the flames of my passion for it. That's why I studied it. But for now, I'm teaching in high school. I'm looking at going into a doctorate in education program at the University of Arkansas, hopefully in the next coming semesters or years. My expectations for the MAT course, of course, is to first and foremost learn how to be able to help students. I know as teachers, we are thrown into situations where we're not just teaching students or mentoring students, we're also having to be parent, or we have to be providing. We have to provide for the kids, school supplies, food, sometimes clothes. We have to advocate for these children. Some of them are in really not the best situations, and they don't have the best home lives, so they need someone to go to bat for them. They need someone to be an advocate for them. So not only do I want to be the best teacher that I can be, which is one of my main goals, of course, that's what I want to do, is I want to teach, but I also want to learn how I can best help these students in their everyday life, just to help them to become better adults, better, well-rounded adults. A little bit about myself. I have worked in the medical field for the past 8 years. I've worked in a few different hospitals, working as a nursing assistant or a patient care assistant. That is something I've always had a heart for. I love helping people. Right now, I work at Baptist Memorial Hospital in Memphis in the emergency room as a PCA or an emergency room technician. So every day it's something new. I never really know what to expect when I go to work. We have some of the sickest of the sick come in, and we always have our hands full with crazy or sick or drama. We never really know what to expect. It makes me happy that I can go there and I can leave after a 12-hour shift feeling like I've made a difference in someone's life. So that's just a little bit of, kind of interesting about me. It's not only my doing this teaching thing and in grad school, but I'm also working full-time at the hospital in the emergency room, trying my best just to do as good as I can, do as much good as I can, and try to help as many people as I can, because it's a passion for me. I sincerely love it. So I hope this has kind of shown some light for you on who I am, my interests, my life, my expectations and everything. I hope to get to know everyone really well this semester, have a fantastic semester, and learn a lot. And thank you so much, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.